Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw some water droplets on our Zentangle inspired artwork. I already started this drawing, as you can see, and I used a distress background, which I have a tutorial for that. I'll link that. And sorry I didn't take a picture in advance of the I was doodling on the phone, and so I started drawing these water droplets, and I thought, wait, maybe I should show how I do this. So let's get started. Okay, and now all we're going to do is just trace around this circle, whatever you can grab that makes a circle to your desired size, like that. Looks like I got it a little dark here, but that's actually a good thing. I'll use that as the shading. And I'm going, because I have such a busy Zentangle here, I'm going to use a 6B Faber-Castell pencil. And I said that weird pencil. I'm in a weird mood today. And I'm going to add some shadow here. And I'm going to let that work for me, that how I got that line a little thicker. I'm just going to lay it down real good. Take my blending stump. One side I'm going to keep clean, and the other one, take the dirty side and just shade it out like this. And now I'm going to take my charcoal white General's pencil, which I've talked about before. I love this because look at how great it goes on. And just kind of put it on there real good. Take the clean part of my blending stump. I think either my husband or my son is gonna walk in. I hear them. Sorry about that. If so, they don't know I'm taping. My eraser. This stuff erases beautifully. Like, I can get it nice and crisp line if I wanted to, like this. And let's see. After that, I might just keep going a little bit. No, let me grab mine. And as you can tell, I'm just gonna go and add a bunch of white right in here. And then maybe like some white right here. Keeping kind of a space there a little bit. Blend it some more so I can see how it's looking. Like if I need to add more, the pink sometimes will come through and I just pick up my pencil again and add some more white as needed. I want to soften that up, like especially on the edges, to make it look like it's kind of fading out a little. Let me see here. Where's the eraser? This line's a little bit big, I think. I might see, that's what I like about this. See how easy compared to a gel pen to make highlights? You can just, I can shorten it up a little bit. And let's grab the 6B Faber-Castell again. And right about here, I'm going to add a little bit of shadowing. And then maybe like right about here. Grab my white pencil and put some right in the middle of those two dark shadows. And just blend it. Did I grab? No, that's the clean line. And you just keep adding layers until you're happy. Oh, that's a 2B. I I had the wrong one. No wonder that didn't go on very dark. I had a 2B pencil sitting there with my 6B, and you could tell it wasn't showing up enough there. And again, if I feel like this shadow, if I want to clean it up a little, make it a little more like it going like this, I'm having trouble explaining today, the light reflecting, I can just take my eraser and clean it up. I just want a little bit of highlight here, not too much. This doesn't, I think that's too thick still. Let me see. Oh, I can see what feels off to me is that maybe this needs shaded a little bit more. Shade that little area really good. Blend it and blend it and blend it so that it... Sorry, kind of stopped talking here. I'm focusing on this drawing. Go right along here and darken it even more. Like that. Here it is, guys, all finished. Let me know what you think, and please subscribe if you haven't done so. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.